friends, I'm Haley, the pattern designer here at Seamwork, and welcome to the Robin Sew Along class. Maybe you're here because you're intimidated by sewing a bra, or perhaps you just want to challenge yourself to try something new. I'm here to tell you that sewing a bra doesn't need to be hard. Sure, it might require some thought and some precision, but I have a feeling that after sewing one, you'll be eager to start another. It truly is a rewarding project, and I bet by the end, you'll be hooked on sewing undergarments. The Robin Bralette is the perfect introduction to sewing your own lingerie. Robin features beautiful princess seams that create a lovely shaped bust, picot elastic finished edges, adjustable straps, and a hook and eye closure at the center back. And the whole bra is lined, creating a beautiful clean finish. In this class, you'll learn lots of essential bra sewing skills, like sewing picot elastic, creating adjustable straps, and attaching the clasp closure. You'll get to see each step in action so that you feel really confident and empowered even when you're sewing those trickier bits. You'll also be able to chat with other seam workers about choosing fabric and getting the perfect fit in the Seamwork community. In the next lesson, we're going to talk about fit and selecting your size. Let's get started.